So have you connected other integrations to your Claude yet? Because I'm telling you, I have been pretty impressed with the things that I've been able to do, but today I'm going to show you something really cool. First of all, I did share in a recent training how you can create PowerPoint presentations inside of your Claude. And wow, this came out beautiful. But I gotta tell you, I am in love with using Gamma, and there's a Gamma integration inside of Claude. And so I asked to take this presentation and I wanted to make it inside of Gamma, and it is doing it right now. And it actually came up with 106 themes that Gamma has, which I already knew which theme I liked. It's called Atmosphere. It gave me a few choices based on what it created here on the side with the purple, but it wasn't what I wanted to go with. So it started, look at that, it started to build it already. This training right now is already done inside of Gamma. So I can go inside of Gamma and I can edit it as it opens up right now. It's going to open up the external link, and this is what it created. Turn your ideas into real AI-powered tools. This is for a presentation that I'm doing for a community on vibe coding, where you can turn ideas into vibe coded tools without any code experience whatsoever. So I am very impressed. I can go ahead and edit this right inside of Gamma, but I started it all right inside of Claude. So if you have not yet made some integration connections inside of your Claude, definitely go into the settings and you'll be able to do that very simple and easily and choose which settings you want to actually add. I can go right now up into, let's see here, just to show you, you can customize it right off the side. You're not seeing the little side, but you're going to see connectors. And the connectors is these are all the connectors that I added. Canva, GitHub, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, my Granola, Note Taker, PubMed. So you simply hit the plus sign and you can browse them. You can go searching for whatever your needs are. You can even do it by category. If it's design, you see where you got Figma, Mermaid Charts, Canva, data, communication. Basically uncheck them all and you're going to see all of them show up for you. And if you see one you like, you can just go ahead, simply hit connect. It's going to make that connection, and then you're going to log into it and simply go ahead and add it. It's that simple. I just connected my Notion, and there you have it. I've got my Notion already connected, so I can use that inside of Claude as well. You know, it's really cool. Claude actually even gave me an option. Do you want to create a shorter 3-slide teaser version you can post to other communities to drive registrations for this training? And it just created this for me inside of Gamma. What if that PDF nobody reads could become a tool people actually use? So I have a couple other things that I can use if I want to make them into images, actually, because I'm not sure that I would just use these as slides, but what you'll walk away with and ready to see what's possible. I like this. This is pretty cool. So go ahead and add your Claude integrations. See you in the next video.